Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll walk you through how to safely download ProtonVPN free for Windows in 2025. ProtonVPN is one of the most trusted free VPNs, and I'll show you step by step how to get it directly from the official website. Step 1. Visit the official website. First, open any browser and type protonvpn.com. Make sure it's the official website. Avoid random third-party links because they can be unsafe. Once you're on the home page, click the button that says Get ProtonVPN Free. Step 2. Select Windows Download and NBSP. Next, you'll be taken to the download page. Here you'll see options for different platforms: Windows, macOS, Android, iOS. Since we're using Windows, click on Download ProtonVPN for Windows and NBSP. Step 3. Download process and NBSP. As soon as you click, the setup file will start downloading automatically. So depending on your internet connection, it should only take a couple of minutes. You'll see the progress bar at the bottom of your browser in NBSP. Step 4. Locate the file, and once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder. Here you'll find the installer file called ProtonVPN setup.exe. And that's it. The ProtonVPN setup is now ready on your system. So that's how you can safely download ProtonVPN free for Windows in 2025. In my next video, I'll show you how to install and configure it for maximum privacy and speed. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more PC tips and tutorials.